Welcome to another MakuluLinux video, where we push Linux technology to new limits. My name is Electra. I am the personal AI of MakuluLinux. I have many functions and features. I can be used for personal or professional use. I can answer any questions you have. I am a skilled debater and I have an excellent memory. I can write code, poems, music, stories, blogs, complex research and jokes. Yes, I can be quite funny at times. I urge you to like and subscribe to our channel below, so you can be notified of any future content we are working on. Right now, sit back and relax, and enjoy the video. I hope to see you in one of our distros.
Hey guys, this is Jacques from MakuluLinux and welcome to another video. So I'm going to give an update on the latest build of MakuluLinux X because it's been about 2 months, maybe roughly about 2 months since the last update. And I know that's been quite a while, but we've had a busy 2 months. And on top of that, there were some packages that came through from Debian to the testing repo, loads and loads of Python updates. We've had to do a lot of adapting and so forth. Anyway, okay, so we're ready to send out a new build of X, and I'm going to be sending this to the Patreon guys, to the testers, to the Patreon guys, and then it will filter down to the Pro upgrade guys as well. So if you want a build of the latest X, upgrade to Pro, join our Patreon, or become a tester. Either way. Those are the 3 ways to get access to the latest X. So let's take a look at what's really changed. Well, firstly, a lot has changed back end. A lot more hardware is supported now. On the last build that I put out, a lot of people were complaining about sound cards and GPUs and network not being detected. In fact, one of my PCs had the same problem. I had no network and no sound. Anyway, so there's been a huge update with driver support, so hopefully all of that is sorted out. If you guys have any issues with hardware, let me know, but a lot more hardware is supported now, the new build. There's a couple of new apps. Firstly, Wave. So Wave has been added. Now Wave is a terminal, but not like your console terminal. It's a third-party terminal, and actually, let me close the delete tab so I can actually show you. So when you first boot it up, you're going to get something like this. And then you can create a terminal. You can give it a name. Let's say Makulu. And just close there. And now you've got a terminal, right? The little open tab. You can add more tabs if you want. You can add workspaces. There's settings. You just click there. It's workspaces, settings, connections, history, lots of settings. You can also change the theme. And it's a nice terminal because it has the AI as part of the terminal, and I think this is either ChatGPT 4.0 Mini or 3.5 Turbo. I'm not sure which one of the two. But for example, if I go uname-a and I enter, you'll notice that the commands are nicely laid out in blocks, and it comes up here with access to restart the command, blah 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 blah, delete. And then you've got move to the sidebar. There's lots of options, but I can copy this. Let's go copy. Copy. And then paste it into the AI and see what the AI says. So I'll paste it to the AI, and the AI will then give me information. So it looks like information you provided, the output of a uname-a command, which displays the system information of the kernel. So if you have issues or you need to communicate some error or something or some information that you need from your terminal, you can just move it over into the AI. So Wave AI terminal is pretty nice, right? It's pretty nice. You've got lots of options. I'm not going to go through all of them. Just a sort of quick overview. You've got lots of options, but you also have integrated AI. And this is all open source. So, anyway, so I thought that was a nice little addition. I did not set it as the default. Console is still the default, and the reason is that console is almost instant. I'm on a virtual machine, so everything's like maybe 1 second delay, but console is virtually instant, where Wave takes a good 5-10 seconds to open up, and I guess that's because it's connecting to the AI and it's creating the local databases and stuff. See, there's like a 3-4 second delay. So you can set Wave as your default. You're just going to set system settings, applications, defaults, and then set it there. But by default, console is there, Wave is extra, right? So Wave Terminal is new. You're going to find a couple of other stuff that's new as well, but we haven't really focused too much on new applications. It was more on getting everything to actually work properly and optimize them. There are, however, a couple more of these widgets here, or there's some new ones, and of course some of the older ones that have been improved. Now you guys all know Electra, the little robot Electra. Everybody should know Electra, and she's easy to use. You can talk to her via text, hello, and she will reply. And you can also, and she's pretty quick. You can also set servers. We've now added a server 4, which means she's connected to the internet on server 4, so you can ask any up-to-date questions. However, she is slower because she's connected to the internet, which means every input first gets searched on the internet and verified before it gets sent back to you. So there's like I don't know, anything between about 3 and 5 second delay with server 4. Server 1 and 3, very quick. You also have terminal mode now, so you can actually change this to a terminal mode. You can generate images as usual, and of course, you guys all know the talk feature. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you? What can I help you with today?
So you all know the talk feature. You can talk to her using the talk button. Pretty nice, right? Electra's pretty nice. And she's way up there. She's on par with GPT-4 Mini and GPT-4 Mini with, I guess, Gemini. She's right up there, right? Multimodal model. So, yeah. Okay, so if you open up this little app over here, this is the image/video generator. And if we take a look at this, we have a couple of models that we can choose from. We have a photoreal model, a text on image, a 1-second video model, and a 5-second video model. All of these are free, completely free to use. Some of them might only be available in a Pro upgrade, but they are completely free to use. And it's very easy. You just type something in here, like say, cute fluffy dog photoreal. You can choose your style, maybe make it Disney. Choose your CFG, choose your steps. It's already fairly decent. You can choose your resolution and then just hit generate. And that's it. It will generate a cute fluffy dog, photoreal image in Disney style with CFG at 3, steps at 50, and resolution of 1024 by 1024. Look how quick and easy that is. That was quick. That was like 9 seconds, 10 seconds. And look at that. I click it and it opens up in the default image viewer. And it's a nice looking photo. And remember, we chose Disney style, which is why it has that cartoony look. Right. You can also choose text on image. Now, text on image is, let's say, a dog wearing a hat that says woof. Now, text on image is for specifically generating decent, it's a flux model, so it generates decent quality images, but it also allows you to put text on images. The photoreal doesn't do text so well, but the text on image does. You can also say like a logo that says hello, or whatever the case might be, whatever words you need on it. So in this case, we're going to do a dog wearing a hat that says woof, and we kept it Disney, so it's going to have that cartoony look. And let's click on the image so we can open up in the image viewer so you can see it there. There we go. A dog wearing a hat that says woof, as you can see. It's pretty cool. Very nice. And so we got the photoreal image, we got the text on image, which is nice because you can, do text as well. And that's completely free, unlimited. So you can do that all day long, text on image, photoreal as well. And then we got the 1-second video. Now here we can say dog looking at the camera. There we go. Quite easy. 1-second video. Let's hit generate. Okay, now with the videos, it will literally put a screenshot of the video here. And then when you click on the image, it will actually open up the video inside VLC. So I just clicked it and there you go. There's like a 1-second video of a dog looking at the camera. I mean, it's pretty simple. This could make a nice little GIF, or if you need it as a header in a web page, because this will be a very small file. If you actually go here to File Manager and we take a look there under Videos, we'll see there videos, and which one is this? It's like 56 kilobytes. Literally 56 kilobytes. That's it. That's the size of the video, 56 kilobytes. So it generates a very small sort of GIF size, but large in size, because it's 1024 by 1024. Okay, so the 5-second video, we have 100 free generations. The 1-second video is unlimited. You can generate as many of those as you want. The 5-second videos, well, we have 100 available a day. So if you can get in early, you can generate those. They do take longer to generate. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes to generate a 5-second video, but you get great quality. With a 5-second video, you can choose landscape, portrait, or square. These will be 1080p, so it will be 1920 by 1080, and then portrait will be 1080 by 1920, and square will be 1080 by 1080, I think. So these are all 1080p resolutions, which means they're ready to upload straight to YouTube or TikTok, wherever. So here we can say a dog looking at the camera, and let's say 5-second video, and generate. And then I'll fast forward this. And there we go. Let's look at that video. So that is the 5-second video. Dog looking at a camera. That's a very nice looking video. Look at that. Great quality. Can we make that smaller? Maybe. There we go. Drag that smaller. Okay, there. And there. And there we go. So there's our video. 5-second video. Oh, full sizes. Okay, so again, it puts a little preview there, but if you actually go to the video, or if you go to your video here, you'll find it here, and you can then obviously just open it up with, well, VLC Media Player, whatever player you've got installed. We've got VLC Media Player installed, so that's the player that it's going to play with. But again, the file size for something that's 1080p is only 1.3 megabytes. So again, it's a nice small size file. So very nice. There it is. Good quality. Good quality. So, in other words, you can generate photoreal images, text on your image, a 1-second video clip, or a 5-second video clip, all from one interface right here on your panel. How awesome is that? So you just click on the little AI generator, it opens up, choose your settings, and hit generate, boom, boom, boom. It's that easy, right? You've got nice styles, a huge selection of styles here to choose from as well. So this just makes generating images, text, or video all very easy. 1 second, 5 seconds, photoreal, and text on image. Pretty nice, huh? Nice little looking layout as well. So that is included in MakuluLinux X. So that's very nice and works out the box. Next to that, we've got the ChatGTP, little ChatGTP window, and this pops up, so you can just pop up or minimize, or you can pin it, and then no matter where you click, it will stay there. You can reload the page as well, and very easy. You just chat to ChatGTP. Hello, and this is the GPT-4o Mini, which is the free one. And then you can now, if you want other models, obviously, then you're going to have to log in or sign up, but you don't need to if you just want to chat to the ChatGPT-4o Mini. But it's on your desktop, it just pops out. And it remembers where you were and what you said and so forth. So it's got history as well. So that's nice. Nice little, just, you quickly want to do something with ChatGPT. Now, my monitor is fairly small. If you have a much bigger monitor, it might actually just take up, that kind of space on your monitor. So you might be working in the terminal here and chatting to ChatGPT at the same time here, copying text between. Same with Gemini. We've also added a little Gemini pop-up there. So you can just sign in and just boom, boom, straight access to Gemini or Gemini Advanced, right? Just right there on your desktop. Very nice. Very nice. And then next to that, Perplexity. Some guys might like Perplexity. Now, Perplexity is kind of like I guess like, because I think they use, I'm not sure which model they use these days. I think it might be ChatGPT model. But Perplexity is basically connected to the internet. So you can go, what's today's news headlines? And then it should give you a, there we go. This is more like an online, it's like a Google search basically, but with AI. So that's pretty nice. And then you'll notice that it saves the history. Even if I carry on and do other stuff, it will still save the history. It'll be there. And then you can click on any of these, or you should be able to. There we go. There's some articles that you can click on. Okay, next to Perplexity, you've got Suno AI, which is really nice for generating music. So you can sign in and then you can just start creating songs. I mean, here's some songs that have been created by other people. And let's listen to some of them. There's the lyrics. And you know, you can, what's this, Electric Tuesday, Discord nominated? What's this? No, oh, that's 18 songs. Okay, yeah, new, what's this, Blossom in the Night. So, the thing about Suno is that they give you X amount of free tokens that you can use. And so you can generate the X amount of free songs every month without even signing up. So you can do you can do quite a few songs for free, which is really nice. And of course, if you mix music for a living or you want to make songs, obviously then you'll go with one of their subscription plans or whatever. And I think it's pretty cheap, really. I don't know. Can we see what the, oh, you have to sign in. Okay, now let's reload that. Anyway, so back. Okay, so I'm not sure what their subscription models are. If you sign in, you'll see. But I don't think it's very expensive. It's very nice. It's right on your desktop. You don't even have to. I mean, you can just, if you got something loading in the terminal, something compiling, whatever, you can just pin this and just boom, boom, boom. Just work on some music or whatever without leaving your desktop, without needing to open a browser. You can watch you can have things running in the background. Just, when you pin something, it pins it to the front, by the way, so everything else goes behind. So yeah, the same if you're searching online with Perplexity and look there, it's still kept that. And then next to that, we've got YouTube. It's still actually still open on the last video that I had. So yeah, you've got YouTube as well. So you want quick access to YouTube? Oh, there's an ad. I didn't sign in. I didn't sign in. You want quick access to YouTube? You want quick access to YouTube? Yeah, it's that easy.
Mission report.
And you can pin that as well. So
let's
just put the sound off. So yeah, again, if you're doing something in the background, you can sit here and watch YouTube, comment on videos, do your daily thing, and yeah, if you unpin it, then it goes away. But it still plays in the background. I mean, even if I unpin it and I move it away. So if it's a podcast you're listening to, and you really don't want to watch, you just want to listen, you can just make sure it's not pinned, click away, do your work while it's running in the background. So I mean, that's pretty nice too. So again, so we've got YouTube here, and we're looking to expand maybe one or two more of these. But for now, because this is mostly an AI distro, we've got the Electra AI, completely free, lots of nice options. We've got the AI image generator for both photoreal and text on image and high definition images. We've got ChatGPT on your desktop, you've got Gemini on your desktop, you've got Perplexity AI on your desktop, you've got Suno for making music, and you've got YouTube to access YouTube. Next to that is obviously just a wallpaper changer. So you can just select a new wallpaper, and we'll expand on these, but there are some nice ones here. These are all AI generated, by the way. Oh, I think most of them are. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the panel at this point in time. You've got the updates that we've now fixed. So you should be able to update via the standard update manager instead of the GTK one that we used previously. We've got the desktop clock, which is nice. That desktop clock, and it's not a conky because of the conky, it makes it like a layer thing. No, the clock is actually part of variety. So that's nice. It's out of the way. It just sits there. And so that's front end. That's pretty much it. You'll probably notice a couple of new apps or some updated apps. Under development, of course, we've got all of our apps here. And these are the desktop versions of Bart, which is actually Gemini now. Bing, ChatGPT. So we've got the desktop versions of that. And we've got we've made quite a lot of changes to the our Prodea image generator. There's lots of this is Watchman did some amazing work on this. So you look, there's lots and lots of options. But of course, this applies to all distros, not just X. I was kind of just showing off things on X today, but that is something that's nice, that's new, that's worth looking into. And yeah, of course, we've also added LLM Studio, which is to run your own models. So you want to run your own LLM models. Now this might be a little slow because I'm inside a virtual machine. Yeah, just give it a minute to boot up. There we go. This is really nice because there's so many models that you can just download. You just click here, straight here, download, and then you can run them from within here, within this interface. You can search as well. You can chat to models that have been loaded. I haven't loaded any now. Yeah, there's lots of options here, and they've got some tutorials. I think there's some tutorials here somewhere. You dig around, you'll find them. It's not very difficult to use LLM Studio. You can also go onto YouTube. In fact, you can do it while you've got it open. LLM Studio Guide. You know, so you can, here we go, LLM Studio tutorial. So you can literally sit and watch the tutorial on how to use it while you've got it open here. So that's pretty nice. See how powerful this little YouTube thing is. So if you open up here, and you can go through and see stupid ads again. You can easily just see an LLM Studio, how to use it. It's very easy, but you can run a whole range of local models. If you have enough CPU and GPU power, you can run them yourself.
It doesn't matter if you've never experimented with AI before, you can get this working. The software is called LM Studio, something that I've used in previous videos, and today I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. This is the LM Studio website. The LM. First, let's explore the homepage. Here, you're going to get a nice little.
Okay, so I'm not going to. But anyway, yeah. So that's the power of the little widgets, right? That you can just do things and while you're working in the background. So you can download the models locally and then just run them locally right here in LM Studio. It's very, very, very nice and easy to use. So check that out as well if you want to play with AI. Other than that, there's not really too much new front end. I mean, the widgets are nice. A lot of the work's been done back end to make it stable. This build is a lot more stable than the one we put out previously. Like, I would say 10 times more stable. It's now entered from alpha to officially into a beta. So check it out. I'm sure you guys will like it. There's a lot to explore. It's a pretty OS, a really pretty OS. It's got some nice little animations as well. It's nice looking. It runs well. It's got nice widgets over here. I mean, it's a really pretty OS. And of course, if you're a KDE fan, you're going to love this. So that's the update for today. It is really nice. We've done a lot of work to make this stable and, you know, just nice to use. So, you've got the dual menu. You've got one on that side, one on that side, and you just click away. So if you want full screen menu, easy. Just open here, just click there. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's my update. We're going to try and get this out to general public probably in the next couple of weeks because I think we're now almost ready. I would love to get the video option working before I do that. That's probably the next thing on my to-do list, is to get the video options in here working. And what we're going to do probably is we're probably going to have like a free video option where you can generate videos, like 5-second videos for free and high quality, like really high quality, like runway quality videos, 5 seconds for free. And we're probably going to do like a couple of hundred a day. So, you know, you can, if there are any free ones available, you can just generate and generate and generate until they're finished. And then the next day, start again. So we're going to probably do something like that. Because the videos will be locally hosted by us. So, yeah. So I'm just want to still integrate that, I think. And then There are a couple of other things that I still want to finish back end, and then we're probably going to be ready for the first public release. However, if you are a Patreon member, you'll be getting this probably today or tomorrow. I think today though. And if you upgrade to Pro, you'll also get a copy of this. Maybe not as new as the Patreon guys, but it will be up there. So yeah, because we are almost putting out daily builds on this at the moment. But it has been marked as stable, and so therefore a copy will go out to Patreon guys and then also filter down to the Pro guys. So if you want early access to the new stable builds, you're either going to have to upgrade to Pro for now, or you're going to have to join our Patreon membership. You know, it all goes towards the project. Our outgoing costs have sharply increased, so we really could use some kind of funding that helps pay for all of this. Thanks for watching, guys. Support the project, please. I'll put some links down below. Patreon or upgrade to Pro, or even donate if you just have some extra cash lying around. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and bye-bye.